So I am trying on the shoes. I did decide to go with the top loop. When I was putting them on, I didn't use it at first, and it seemed a little loose to me, so I went ahead and put them on. I loosened the. I did notice as I'm putting these on, this has the mesh here as well, and it feels really soft. It's put your hand on there, push on that. Really soft on the top of your foot, so I like that. There's a lot of room down in through here, and it's really cushioned by your ankle, so it supports your ankle really well. They are a nice looking boot. Size wise, they fit exactly like they're supposed to as far as the length, so they're nice there. I feel like they don't really seem like they're tall, but I feel like I'm elevated a little bit, so I kind of like that. I like the way they look, especially with these jeans. What do you think? Yes. Ankle, I like that. A lot of cushion on the tongue, and then it's kind of supported right here. So you got a nice foundation for your feet. And then I'm not sure why, but I feel like I'm taller in these boots. They're not really elevated or anything, but I like the way they look. I like this over the toe, so that keeps, if you are in the snow or wherever you're walking, it's not going to get all over down into your and get your feet wet. So they look good. Oh yeah, they're a comfortable boot. I like the way they look. I like the way they feel. These are just generally a sharp looking boot, and they, for me, I really like the way they look with jeans. I wear sweatpants a lot, but I also wear jeans, especially in the winter. You can wear these any time of the year, but these are a nice looking boot. I really like them. Definitely would recommend these.